Let's talk about whether or not you should niche down. So I have 3 TikTok shop accounts and none of them are really niched at this point. And I've actually been doing a lot of research trying to figure out should I or should I not niche down? And it is a mixed bag out there, you guys. Some big creators are like, absolutely, you should niche down. You should only be staying in one category and that's it. Others are like, just create what you love, do what you want to do, let the chips fall where they may. And what I'm trying to figure out is if the let the chips fall where you may people are making like, $5,000 a month, whereas the niched people are making $100,000 a month. That's what I want to know because, yeah, I mean, it may be working to be not niched, but maybe if you niched, you would be making 50 to 100,000 a month instead of $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Does that make sense? So I'm researching this more. I'm really trying to get to the bottom of it because I hear all different things. I think Anita Myron is one of the big creators on here, and she says not to niche down. Emily May, she says not to niche down, and they are very successful on TikTok. And so I've kind of followed that pattern of just not niching down. However, I wouldn't mind experimenting with it, but I also don't want to mess up my account. So I'm averaging about $100 to $150 a day in commissions right now. Some days are a little bit lower than that, but overall, that's where I'm hitting. Most of that comes from my main account, which is literally all over the place, everywhere. I mean, I have fashion, I have home goods, I have jewelry, I have makeup, I have hair stuff, like all the things. The second account is also kind of a mix, but more bottom of funnel type content, selling the sale type stuff. So it's not really a niche, it's more focusing on just the sales. So I'm thinking about maybe trying to stick with like home design type stuff on my main account because I sell a ton of pillows and like just home good type stuff over there. But then I also sell a lot of perfume over there. But I know that both of those things have been picked up by ads. And I think that is kind of the key to anything being successful right now is getting picked up by GMV Max, which is the automated ads that TikTok runs. This is getting long, but these are just my thoughts. I'm thinking out loud about whether or not to niche down because I truly don't know because you hear both from big creators. You hear both. So I'm researching this. If you have any thoughts on this, if you're a big creator, Lord have mercy, please comment. Let me know your thoughts. But if you guys have thoughts on this, let me know in the comments what you think about niching down versus not niching down. And I am going to spend some time researching this today and figuring out ChatGPT says niche down. So she is telling me that's what I need to do. So now I'm trying to figure out if I truly want to take the leap and do that or not. But let me know.